Antonia Sunshine Travel. Today I am on Explora One and we are doing a whole bunch of room tours that we're doing. I just looked through some of the beautiful residences, the connecting room that it came in, and right now I would love to show you the handicap accessible, ADA compliant Ocean Terrace Suite. So this room is just an amazing room. It's so big, and that's so that you can get through very easily with your wheelchair, your scooter, whatever you need. This room has it made for you. So first we're just going to start right here into the restroom, and this has a shower that is barrier free. So as a person with limited mobility, I fully understand what's needed in terms of, you know, the accessibilities. I do walk with a cane for long distances, so I understand the need of having a barrier-free entry. Sometimes that step is just a little bit tricky. So this here is a seat that will fold down, and then you've got all your beautiful Mandela Blue hand and body soap, shampoo, and conditioner. These are specially formulated for Explora Journeys. You are not going to get these scents anywhere else. They are only going to be here for you, for your use on board. And here you have the shower head that you can grab. We also have the rain shower head that's going to just come right down on you like the rain. We have a long grab bar, and that's going to make it so easy for you to shower and to be independent. We also have the pressure and the temperature as well. There's another grab bar right over there. And then we're just going to turn, and we have these beautiful, again, hand and body soap, body lotion. We have shower caps here, and this wonderful soap that I'm thoroughly enjoying on board right there. And if you lift this nice stoneware up, you've got your cotton buds and your cotton pads. And your suite attendant will make sure that these are refilled as you use them. We've got some cups here for your use. Of course, the tissues and some hand towels as well, a washroom, and then your garbage in your washroom. We have this. And this actually lowers down so that you can get on and off the commode very easily. And that's a really great thing to have. And I see that you also have a USB-A and USB-C charging port here. The one thing I noticed, which I think is phenomenal, is you have this pull cord right there. If you are to run into trouble and you are in the shower and you think you're going to be stuck, this will be hanging down lower when somebody's in this room to check in, and you will be able to get assistance immediately. I do love Explora Journeys. They are here for you every step of the way, and that's just one little part of it. And then over here we have the king size bed. Again, so much room on either side, just ensuring that you can make it into the bed very comfortably and very easy. There are rooms with two twin configurations. I will have to check to see if that is also in the ADA rooms. But for now, we're showing you this gorgeous king-size bed with this cashmere blanket right on the bottom. This is so soft. I really wish that they sold that in the stores, because I would probably buy that. On the side here, we have also your USB-A, USB-C, a regular plug, and then the European, and then your lights. And here you have the little light for reading, and this as well, which puts off some nice glow. Moving right along, we've got a very nice sitting area. And then here you have this picture of the books. And these books actually tell a story. So as you go along and you read it, it follows along and it makes a neat little story. And I thought that was really cool, actually. Well, I learned that, and I thought that was neat. Outside on your balcony, oops, I went to the wrong side. How do I? Huh. I'm not sure how to open that. I think I need a little key to open this, so I can't go out right now. But, unless it's over here. No, that's a window. My apologies. Okay, so you've got your table and your chairs, and then you've got this very nice chaise lounge to lay outside and just enjoy those ocean breezes. One thing I'm blown away on this cruise is how clean everything is. There are never fingerprints across the glass. You can always see out. They are very conscientious. In fact, I've seen our suite attendant cleaning the balcony glass every single day. A lot of times on other ships, they schedule maintenance and they do it maybe once a week, but he makes sure that it's so perfectly clean for you. So this is a really nice spot to sit and do your makeup. You've got the illuminated makeup mirror. You've got a pen and paper, of course your regular telephone, and some reading that's here. We have the use of binoculars that's on board, which is just fabulous to have that. And we have your in-suite dining menu, a list of your complimentary beverages that are inside of your fridge. And if you want more, they are more than willing to get you more. In fact, they are here for you so much every step of the way. It's incredible how good the hosts and the ambassadors have been. So we're going to pull out this drawer, and this is where your safe is. And I really like this safe because you can lift it open as opposed to a smaller door. You can get a regular laptop in there or use their jewelry container as well. Set your code and you're good to go. There are tons of storage here. It's just incredible the amount of storage that there is. And do make sure you reach out to me, info@plentyofsunshinetravel.com. I am here on Explora Journeys for 9 days, and I will be able to help you every step of the way in securing the best room for you and creating the best experience for you. Now, also for use on board is a Dyson blow dryer. And I think that this is an amazing perk that they would even go so far as to make sure that they have a Dyson blow dryer for your use. And that is just beautiful, and the diffuser as well. So that's right here. So they, no detail has gone unmissed. It's just incredible the amount of detail that there is. So I'm just going to quickly go along to here and see what's in these cupboards. So here we have the glassware. Moving along, this drawer does pull out for your convenience. You have your saucers, your mini cups, your larger cups, corkscrews, little instructions on how to use the coffee maker. And you've got full blend coffee, decaf, and some other things, a whole bunch of different teas. And that's right here for you. So we've got a kettle for use on board. We're gonna have some snacks given to you there from your host attendant. Beautiful coffee maker. These glasswares, they're gonna make sure it's always full for you. And that's for use on board. And there we have that. And I would assume, yes, there is the fridge. I'm glad I made that right assumption. So right here is your stocked fridge. When you get on board, your host is going to ask you what you like to have in your fridge. They will make sure that it is constantly stocked and it has everything that you're going to need. And here we have, again, this pulls down for ease of use, which is so good. Every detail has been thought of, like I said, and that would just pull right down. You've got your frette robes, beautiful soft, with the MSC logo on it. You've got 2 of those. You will also have some slippers for use on board too. And you can take your slippers home with you. And there they are. Again, that pulls down to make life easy for you and be able to get everything that you need. And then you've got your storage containers. So that is the AGA accessible suite.